See this rod and this rod. The two rods are working the same. Look to that place. Look from that place to that place. Can you see? So let me tell you the difference, guys. Let me tell you the difference between these two rods. This one. Let's see. Let me tell you this rod and this rod. This rod is the adjuster rod. Can you see? Yeah, yeah. This is where they used to say the wheel balancing in your back. See, you drive go alignment my place. Say, I beg, let me say this alignment. So I beg, let me say this alignment. Now yeah, now they come. Do you understand? Now yeah, now they come. Yeah, I just make this one just day. To just hold the leg, make the leg not the shake. But this one get work. Oh, yeah, this one still get work. This one still get better work. But this one might be the major work. If you're not set for your back rebalancing, then I think they said the rebalancing. I say you want to set alignment so now yeah, you don't understand. You understand? So this rod like this gets important, and back rod might be the name.